So Vivek Zakarde, it's great having you here today. You are the VP of Technology at India Infoline Group based in Mumbai, India. We're looking forward to having you as speaker at our Big Data and Analytics event from the 22nd to the 24th of November. You will be speaking to us about advanced analytics and specifically ML and analytics in insurance. Having discussed with you previously, you mentioned some interesting use cases where you've managed to help your organization specifically to save on time, on cost, on fraud cases as well, helping with the overall accuracy and quality of your services to all your stakeholders. Could you please tell us a little bit about these use cases from your experience?
Yeah. Hi. So, uh, what we do in insurance, like that analytics and a big data, AI and machine learning is like a nowadays is a blood for the organizations where it's not only your support center, it's a cost center for all the organizations where you understand what is the journey of the customer,
Yeah.
or customer is churning or not. So few of the interesting use cases we actually implemented here in India is like a claim settlement in a general insurance. When I say the claim settlement in general insurance, it's like if you go for a claim in a motor insurance in India, it will take 25 to 30 days. And in fact, not on in India, in most of the countries, claim settlements take a lot of time. So it's a really pain for the customers.
Yeah.
What we had implemented is to just you customer need to upload the damage image of the vehicle,
Yeah.
damage, and on the basis of that, our algorithms can calculate that how much damage is there. Is it replaceable or repairable? Is it replaceable? Then how much damage behind that part, probability of that part,
Yeah.
and immediately in a 120 seconds it can show the cost of the damage of your car. So suppose the damage is a 5K or 10K, it immediately come into the screen and you just need to accept it or decline it. If you're not okay with the damage shared by the algorithms, you can decline it and you can go through the process. So here you can see that the process which is taking 25 to 30 days is right now taking just 120 seconds. So this is the speed we are settling out the claim. Same thing, you have here, you are saving the people efforts, you are saving the underwriting efforts in the organization. So this much of the efforts we are putting into the enhancing the customer experience. And it's not that AI is not only means not only for the insurance, means it can be helpful you in the uh, in the finance fields also. Like the deployment of AI in finance is expected to increasingly drive competitive advantage by financial firms, and by improving their efficiency through cost reduction and productivity, it will enhance, and as well as by enhancing the quality of services and products offered to consumers. So these competitive advantages can in turn benefit financial consumers by providing increased quality and personalized products. It also it's unlocking insights from data to inform investment strategies and potentially enhancing financial inclusion by allowing for analysis of credit worthiness of clients with limited credit history. So it's here, and the challenge is not like how the adoption should go, because most important, adoption of the AI is very important. So I will come to that part later or in the event, that what we need to do for the adoptions. But of course, uh, building a right use case is the biggest challenge which organizations are facing. So it's not like that, because business can come and the people can come with 100 of use cases, but you need to understand which is the right use case for the organization, where you can best ROI for your organization, where you get most benefited from this use case.
Thank you for that. So I think many organizations would be useful to hear from you about your story and how you implemented this within your organization, all the way from strategy to convincing the relevant stakeholders in your organization. How do you find the right service, products, and suppliers, and what learnings that you had in your story as well. So this is specifically regarding the insurance industry, but can these use cases also, or specifically can ML and analytics also benefit other industries?
Of course. If you can see, let's go to the finance industry, not into insurance. If you can see the broking or the trading industries, in broking and trading, there are because nowadays you can see there are a lot of applications are coming into the market. People are using the different applications, and anytime they can leave your application. So problem is that how you can retain your customer. Customer retention and churning is the biggest thing. So dormancy model is there. What dormancy model is do, which is AI based model, where you can find uh, based on historical data that your customer is going to churn in next 2 months or not. And if suppose and there I can give you my we can create a model, and our model is giving the output that okay, this customer, there is a probability of this customer to churning in the next 2 months. So on that probability, your marketing team, campaign team can run the campaigns and try to uh, give some benefit or some benefit to that customer, or give some perks to that customer to retain him again. So on that basis, you can calculate that how much the turnover for him, how much revenue he's going to give you in the next 1 year. On that basis, you can identify okay, these are the 100 customers. They can give me the X amount of revenue in next 1 year, but they are the probability of churn in next 2 months. So this is a trigger alarm for the organization. Okay, you need to concentrate on these customers, give something to them, and retain them at any cost.
That's really, really interesting. And I think there's a lot of value that you will add to all of our delegates at this event. So thank you, Vivek, and we look forward to seeing you at our event.
Thanks.